Hey, how we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Miranda. I'm right here from DeLand.
All right. What are we doing here today?
Skydiving.
Is there any special reason today?
It's my birthday.
What? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Now, whose idea was this?
This was his idea.
What?
Yeah.
All right. Well, what do you want to say to the camera before we go up?
Nothing. Wish me luck.
All right, let's go have some fun. Woo! You want to go again?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, we want to thank you for jumping at DeLand and thank you, Lucas.